The family of companies founded and run by legendary British billionaire Sir Jim Ratcliffe is quietly making moves that impact multiple countries around the world. Ineos recently announced that they'll be constructing an electric version of their world-renowned off-road vehicle, the Grenadier, in Austria. This decision came only a short time after AMP Power, a small producer of lithium-ion batteries, expressed interest in building a major factory in the United States over the United Kingdom where they originally planned. The electric version of the Grenadier off-roader is being developed in cooperation with a Canadian car parts manufacturer MAGNA and is planned for a 2026 release. Even though his business is based in the UK, Ratcliffe is actually a vocal Brexit backer and currently resides in Monaco for tax purposes, which has already had a hand in choosing France to build the original Grenadier instead of the UK. It comes as no surprise that Ratcliffe and his companies have made decisions that stretch beyond the United Kingdom. He's built his company into one of the UK's biggest private companies through taking over chemicals businesses, starting sports clubs like French football club Nice, and launching a new sailing team and cycling team. In fact, the Grenadier was named after the historic London pub where Ratcliffe first thought of the concept. Ratcliffe eventually bought the pub and moved it to Belgravia, one of London's most expensive areas. The first Grenadiers were delivered during December of 2020, nearly 9 months later than planned due to the pandemic. Ineos invested €506 million in losses up to 2021 before sales started. In considering a shift from UK to US production to benefit from American subsidies through the Inflation Reduction Act, AMP Power Chief Executive Alan Hollis said, "Unless we make the UK a competitive place for battery manufacturers, we probably won't end up with a battery manufacturing industry in the UK." Rather than building a second car from scratch, Ineos has opted to deepen their collaboration with MAGNA due to the company's experience in vehicle engineering with them since 2018. MAGNA has an impressive record of constructing electric SUVs, such as the Jaguar I-Pace and Fisker Ocean, for other major companies such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Mini. Current Ineos Automotive Chief Executive Lynn Calder expressed her enthusiasm in a statement about this decision. "Deepening our collaboration with MAGNA is a natural next step as we use the Grenadier as a springboard for our continued growth as a global automotive brand with our second model line. We're bound to find out more details about Ineos's plans in the near future and see any other decisions they make that make a global impact. But, no matter what they decide, it looks like the Grenadier is here to stay, and possibly make an even bigger impact than initially expected."